Hey guys, what is up? It is me, Shaven, and today I'm trying to recreate Kelly Uchis look. I really did like her look in the music video for After the Storm, and I just really liked it a lot. It's kind of like a little bit like 60s liner a little bit, so I kind of want to recreate that, so let's dive into it. Okay, so first I'm applying Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer onto my eyelid. I'm going to apply it like all over and kind of shape my brows just a little bit as well. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to the contour. Actually, I haven't contoured my face. I've already done my foundation and everything. I actually made a previous video for this probably. To be my Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation review, and I really do like it a lot. So make sure you check it out, and also review the powders as well. But I'm also using this loose powder for contour. I'm dipping into very light. It's very dark and it's probably very pigmented, so I'm gonna be careful with this. This one is a loose setting powder in golden orange. Okay, it's really dark and orangey, so I'm a little scared to use it as contour, but I really want to try it out and see if it will work as a contour. There's a little bit on the lid, so I'm just gonna... And I'm gonna try to follow her contour a little bit. Her face isn't too contoured a little bit, I don't know, just... Because I had this one picture of her, I'll just put it here on the screen, and I'm looking at it, and her face is like, I don't know how to explain it, but I like her contour a lot, and it looks really nice, so... Okay, so this definitely does work as a contour shade actually, like I really do like it. It's not as dark as I expected it to be, which is good. Seems a little bit longer than mine, so I'm gonna try to do that. I'm gonna kind of contour like to my jaw right here to make my face look more longer than squared, I guess. I think my face is square shape, I'm not even sure. I have a hard time like seeing what kind of face shape I have, I don't know. Okay, so I'm using the loose setting powder in vanilla, and I'm pretty much gonna like kind of claim the contour a bit like right here, maybe add some right here to give my chin a little bit more dimension. Hers looks like it has like powder on her chin, so yeah, I'm gonna do that. Also gonna be adding some powder like right here. I'm also going to contour my nose again with the same shade I had used earlier. And I'm also probably, as well as I'm contouring, I'm probably going to be like highlighting nose. No, not like with actual like highlighter, but like highlighting nose with the translucent loose powder, I mean vanilla loose powder, so that way it can like, you know, shape the nose and make it come out, you know. I think her nose looks a little bit skinnier. I don't know, I think it was contoured in the picture. I can't really tell, but it looks kind of skinnier in mine. But yeah, I guess let's try to do that. Okay, so next I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Peachy Love Blush Trio, and I'm kind of dipping into mainly these two shades, maybe a little bit the orange, and I'm going to applying blush at that, kind of like how she has hers in the video. So next I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Out Pomade in dark brown, and I'm going to try to shape my brows kind of like hers as much as I can. And her brows are pretty brown, so I'm not sure if I have to go back with like a darker shade or not, but yeah, it's actually my first time dipping into this. It's pretty cool. But yeah, I'm gonna try to get them as dark as I can. Try to keep it as close to her eyebrow shape as possible. Okay, so I want to talk a little bit right here because I noticed that her brows kind of go a little bit down a little bit, and hers are like rounded. So I just want to say that it just started lower than my natural brow. That's what I noticed in hers. Just looking at it, and then I'm gonna kind of go up here and then kind of go down, kind of like how hers go. So next I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Vegas Loose Highlighter, and I'm going to apply that onto kind of like my cheeks, my cheekbones, and also my nose as well. Because it looks like she has highlighter on her nose and on her cheekbones, so we're going to be doing that. I'm using this Anastasia Beverly Hills A16 brush to apply it. Normally I use a fan brush to apply it, but not today. Next I'm doing the liner using the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid liner, and I'm basically gonna apply it like how hers is, kind of graphic-y, kind of like almost like Stacey liners. So I'm gonna do that, and then leave negative space that way I can apply blue eyeshadow later on. Kat Von D Divine palette, and we're diving into the shade Waters, which is really beautiful. Which is this really beautiful blue. I love it. Hers is a little bit more of a paler blue, but it's probably the closest thing I can get to it. So yeah. And I'm using a flat eyeshadow brush from e.l.f. and I'm just applying it like kind of like on the negative space in the eyeliner. Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer in Rosewood. I'm applying this underneath my eyes. And I'm just gonna get like a fluffy brush. And I'm just gonna kind of like apply it like underneath my eyes and blend it out. Okay, so next I'm applying a white eyeliner onto my waterline. Okay, so next I'm applying Baby Bat Beauty Midnight Mascara onto my lashes. Okay, so next I'm applying Black Mage Beauty Tootsie Lashes onto my lashes. I think these are perfect for this look. I also do have a discount code for the shop. It's Denise_Draven, and I also do have a link down below to her shop as well in my description box, so make sure you check that out. And I'll be playing these off camera. Okay, so Callie has like a little like beauty mark right here, so I'm gonna be putting that on my face. I'm just using the brow pomade, so dip it into this skinny little brush. Okay, so next I'm lining my lips using this Hudson liquid lipstick from Anastasia. I kind of want to get like the lined lip effect she has. Well, I'm not sure if I have the same exact colors as her, but I try getting as close as I can. So I'm I'm gonna line my lip with this. I'm using a small little liner brush. It's really tiny. It's perfect for like little detail like this. And I'm gonna basically line it first. So yeah. Okay, so next I'm applying the Anastasia Beverly Hills Orange Blossom lipstick onto my lips. Okay, so next I'm applying the Anastasia Beverly Hills Estella lip gloss onto my lips. Perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna go finish my hair off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so that is it for today's tutorial. So thank you guys so much for watching. I had a ton of fun creating it. I wish I could see my hair right now. It's like really big and puffy and curly. I just love it. I'll probably put a green screen for the intro and outro, so that way y'all can see it. Probably add like a Google background or whatever. So yeah. So make sure to leave a like and comment down below. Tell me what you think about this tutorial. Will you ever try to recreate it or whatnot? Or what you guys think about her music. I've kind of recently got into her because a friend told me like, oh my god, like you look like her. So I like, looked her up and I listened to music and I was like, first of all, I don't think I look like her. That's good. That's like, who paid you to say that, you know? But it's really flattering, no. But still, I don't think I look like her at all, really. But whatever. So yeah. So also make sure to leave a like on this video and also be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. I have a bunch of other awesome videos, makeup tutorials, and also a bunch of awesome Halloween makeup tutorials. You know, Halloween's coming right around the corner, so that means I'll have some new videos coming up as well, so make sure you stay tuned for that. I had a ton of fun turning into Kelly Uchis today. It was like, I just love it. I also really loved the music video for After the Storm. It's really cool, and I just love the aesthetic of it and all her like makeup in it. It's really pretty. And also her hair, like there's this one scene where she's like, her hair's like all laid out. It looks really cool. But yeah, I really like this. I love this a lot. Make sure you check me out on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. I have all my social media handles on the screen and also down below in the description box as well. So thank you guys so much for watching and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!